Good morning, students. Now discuss some examples of straight line. Example number 1, page number 207. First part. Find the slope of line if passing through 3, minus 2 and minus 1, 4. Formula of slope. That means slope means this is the slope of tangent. Slope is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Therefore, 6 upon minus 4 minus 3 upon 2 is the answer. Now, next, fourth part. Second and third part are saying making inclination of 60 degree, angle is 60 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. Slope. Slope means tan theta, and theta is 60 degree. Value of tan theta is root. Now next example. Example number 2. Important example. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4. Suppose these are two lines. This angle is pi by 4. Therefore, theta is pi by 4. And slope of one line. Slope of one line is 1 by 2. Find the slope of other line. In this question, first of all, apply the formula of angle between two lines. M2 minus M1, 1 plus M1, M2. Apply the values. Tan pi by 4, M2 minus 1 upon 2, 1 plus 1 upon 2, M2. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Take LCM. 2 and 2 plus M2. If modulus sign is removed, here is plus minus. Okay, now discuss two cases. Is it clear? Case number 1. We take positive sign. 2 and 2 minus 1, 2 plus M2. Cross multiply. 2 and 2 minus 1. Therefore, M2 equals to 3. First answer. Case second. Minus 1 equals to 2 and 2 minus 1, 2 plus M2. Minus 2 minus M2 equals to 2 M2 minus 1. This is 3 M2 equals to 1. M2 equals to 1 upon 3. Is it clear? Yes, beta. This is 3 M2 and minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 upon 3. Next example. Example number 3. Line through the points minus 2 comma 6 minus 2 comma 6 and 4 comma 8 is perpendicular to the line 8 comma 12 and x comma 20. Find the value of x. What do you mean by this thing? Suppose this is AB. This is line CD and this one is perpendicular. Find the value of x. In case of perpendicular, slope of AB multiplies slope of CD equals to minus 1. Slope of AD is y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 equals to minus 1. This is 2 upon 6, 12 x minus 8 minus 1. This point, that means this is cancelled, 1 upon 3, 3 4s are 12, 4 equals to 8 minus x equals to 4. This is the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now example number 4. 3 points P, H, K, Q, X1, Y1 are X2, Y2 lie on a line. Lie on a line means P, Q, R. That means points are collinear. To show that H minus X1, Y2 minus Y1 equals to K minus Y1, X2 minus X1. Now solution. In this question, these 3 points are collinear. That means slope of PQ equals to slope of QR. Other way is area of triangle PQR equals to 0. Use anyone. Okay, now discuss this point, slope of PQ. Slope of PQ, slope of QR. PQ is y2 minus y1, that means y1 minus k, x1 minus h. This is QR, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Simply cross multiply. y1 minus k, x2 minus x1 equals to x1 minus h, y2 minus y1, h minus x1. इसको इस साइड ले आइए, h minus x1, y2 minus y1. This is written as k minus y1, x2 minus x1. Is it clear? And this is proved. Is it clear?